chosen to solve this using technology, and I've taken the Ti-nspire and I'm using that. And you can see the first thing I've done is I've inserted a document, a list and spreadsheet into my document, and I've entered the 5 points there. And then I've labelled them up the top. Column A is time and column B is weight. That just gives me a little bit of an advantage when I go to enter them into my regression. The next thing I did was just create a quick graph to give me a bit of an idea of what it looks like. And you can see there, even though I don't get to 0, 0, I've either got a power graph or an exponential graph. I'm looking at this as being an exponential graph because I don't think it's going to go through 0, 0 easily on that pattern. So I'm going to work with an exponential. And so what I'm going to do is go back to my CAS and create an exponential regression. So now I've gone menu, and then 4 is statistics, 1 is stat calculations, A is exponential regressions. And I've just clicked the arrow at the top of the X list, and you can see the advantage there of why I named those columns earlier. Time and weight here, because I can just select them here in my calculator. Now I'm going to go and finish filling that out. And now you can see I finished filling that out, and I'm saving my regression equation to E1. My frequency list is 1, and that's because I don't have group data. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK on that, on my calculator of course, and that's going to put a whole lot of statistics into my spreadsheet, starting in E1 and in the columns E and F. There's only really 4 things I guess that are valuable. So I'm just going to pull them across. Now you can see that I've pulled in the new screen, and I just want to highlight a couple of things that we've got here. Firstly, this here is telling me the type of regression equation I've got. I've got A times B to the power X. And I'm told that A is 6.03 and B is 1.8. So that is telling me, the third one, that my correlation coefficient for this regression is really, really good. If it was perfect, it would be 1. This is a pretty good fit for that data using the regression expression. So again, we're asked to give an answer. Weight is equal to 6.03 times 1.8 T. So that's part A. And part B I can find by substituting T in for 0. 1.8 to the 0 will equal 1. So my initial weight is going to be 6.03 grams.